Today vlog, today 15th of September. I would like to do the vlog about living long. I was reading interesting article about they do analysis on those people who actually living long, like 100 years, and they find something in common, which actually very interesting. The first thing that actually they found out is they sleep enough, so they don't sleep little. So sleep little, we're actually creating a cortisol, and cortisol is one of the stress hormone that actually not good in the long run because it's a steroid, and it also actually will promoting the health issue. So sleeping enough, I think they're saying that enough for majority of the people is around 6.5 to 7 hours to 7.5 hours or even 8 hours for some cases. I think for myself, I need to improve on this if I want to live long, because I only even though I tried, I think I only sleep for 5 or 6 hours right now. So the second factor is they say to live long is to eat less. They're saying that the scientific evidence, I would say in the evidence level where they already prove almost 100% in all the kind of animal that if you eat less 30%, you actually live 20% longer. So it actually happened in rats, it happened in monkey, it happened in any kind of animal, but we never actually have a full test on human before. But we all know that when you eat less, the body actually have more energy. And in the general sense, eat a good food and eat less, overall we actually build a better quality of the life and the body. So I think this is the second point. The third point is they're saying that they have the stress control mechanism. Like some people actually drink wine, some people doing mindfulness or the meditation. Some people actually live in a country where the stress is not dominating their life. So stress, too much stress will actually will kill you, or make you live shorter, because so if you don't have any things like hobbies, something to entertain yourself, to relax yourself, at least you try the mindfulness, because you can do it everywhere, every time. The fourth one is surprising to me as well, is those people that actually live long, they actually until recently do some form of work. I think this may be related to the brain function, that our body, if you don't use something, it will die. Like the brain cell, if you don't use it, it will die. So it's important that we use our body, our brain in some form. So work is not all that bad, but I think overwork is not good, because overwork will actually build a stress of too much stress. But if you work in enough quantity, it will actually help you to live longer. There's one of the study talking about brain for the old people. They're saying that hippocampus is very important part to generating the memory and the new memory, so to speak, the temporary working memory. Like for example, if you want to remember what I see just happening, hippocampus will actually help you to remember this. And if you want to remember something in the long run, in the modern days, they're saying that the mechanism to creating a new memory is actually come with a mechanism to the neurogenesis, where the new cells in the hippocampus is actually generated, and you will be able to actually stimulating the outer neocortex to generating the network of the memory, the same memory too. So so when you actually lost hippocampus, you will not be able to memorize new things in your life. So they're saying that one of the things that help you to be able to memorize more is to have a neurogenesis. And neurogenesis happen with few conditions. When you're young, it actually pretty much happen almost automatically. When you're young, you learn new things faster because in hippocampus, the memory consolidation is actually happening almost semi-automatic. When you grow up, I think the neurogenesis reduce in older people, so you have harder times to actually memorize new things. But they're saying that there's two ways that you can actually improve this. Is first, you're working harder. Mean that you're working harder on the topics to spend longer time. But this one is no shortcut. The second thing is you need to sleep, because during the sleep is when the neurogenesis happened and the memory was consolidated into the brain. The third thing, surprisingly, is exercise. So the fifth element of the living long is exercise. So exercise not only helping your body to get stronger, it also help your body to stimulating the brain generation function, and you're gonna live life the long and healthy. So this is the 5 keys that I read, and I find it's quite interesting. First of all, you need to sleep enough, not too much, but enough, like 6.5 hours to 8 hours. Second, you need to eat less. Eat not enough. Not eat too full. So maybe 70% of the capacity that you eat. The third thing is you need to have a mechanism to control your own stress. Number 5, you need to use your mental on some form of working, so you can work, have responsibility, and doing something, you will live longer. And number 5 is exercise. So you need to keep moving or using your body, so the body know that you are using it, and it helps to reduce stress, and it helps you to be healthy, long living. So these are 5 key things that I share in the article that I read and want to share with everyone on how to live 100 years.